What's up, Tater Tots? It's your girl Tati back at it with another video. Welcome back if you're a real one. In this video, we will be talking about my top 3 press-on nail companies. So just stay tuned. Welcome if you're new here. I am Tati, the auntie with the budget. So, I like to splurge a little bit, but I also like to save a little coin, just like these press-on nails. So if you need a little auntie advice, or if you are auntie yourself and you want to give the girls advice, make sure you subscribe to my channel and join this potato family. Now, let's get into the video. Now, I will be posting some sets of my nails from each company, probably over here, to just let y'all know what they look like as I'm giving you my thoughts, the good, the bad, all those type of things. Now, the first brand that I want to bring up is Kiss. It is the most inexpensive one out of this whole group. You can get some nails for $5, $6, even like $4.90 something. It is very accessible. You can get it not just on Amazon, but you could walk into CVS, you can walk into Target, you could walk into Walmart, Walgreens, all these different places, Ulta, and you can get Kiss nails. They are really good quality, especially the classic ones, the French tips. Those are usually the ones that I get. If you see a French tip from Kiss, gonna be very good quality, gonna be long lasting, baby. Love it. Now, that is a part of it that can be a downfall, which is while the French are really good, there is a lot of limited designs, meaning that the designs, I don't think the nails are as good. And honestly, some of the designs can look a little bit, like a little bit cheapy. It's not the best. Like, I feel like any Kiss French tip that you get is probably going to be okay, especially the classic white French tip is probably going to be good. The other French tips may be okay if it has a design, but then when it comes to the other designs, it just gets a little, 2001 press on it gives sometimes. The next brand I want to talk about is the Nailist. They have homemade nails. They also have their luxury acrylic nails, and then they also have another brand, like a cheaper one, which is just like the ready-made nails. Now, the thing that I really love about the Nailist is that they do keep up to date, like with the trends. They do keep up with the trends, and they can do a little bit more because they're homemade. So they have blinged out rhinestones, they have cat eyes, they have a lot of different ones, and they are not all of them are hand painted. Let me not say that, but they have a good variety of the hand painted ones, and then they have a good variety and chunk of the other ones, even ones that are less expensive. The Nailist is also Black owned, so if you are trying to support a Black owned or woman owned company, the Nailist is perfect for you. Now, I will say a downside is the homemade ones are homemade prices, okay? They do have different tiers. The ready-made is more the inexpensive. You can get for, I'll say like $10 maybe. The luxury acrylics are gonna run you probably like 15, 16 to like 22, 25. And then the homemade ones are going to run you about 25 starting, maybe 22 starting, and it could be upwards for $60-$70. And then it is extra if you want to add like actual acrylic. They use gel overlay, and they use quite a few coats. I think it is maybe like 7 coats or 5 coats or something of gel. So, and I've had the homemade ones. They're not bad or anything. They're good quality, but I would just say that if you get the homemade, you're gonna be getting homemade prices. Now, they are good designs, I'm not gonna lie, and they are really cute. So that's kind of like the trade-off, but it is one of the more pricier ones. It's actually the most expensive one out of the ones that I'm naming. Number 3 is the infamous BT Art Box. Now, before you keep going, I know that a lot of people are doing like the gel tips, the ones that go with a set of 5. Those are cute, whatever. I'm not even talking about those. I'm talking about their actual press-on nails. If you haven't tried the actual press-on nails, you need to give them a try because they are the strongest. When I say the strongest press-on nails that I have tried, they are some of the thickest, best quality. When I tell you they are good quality, I'm not playing. They also are another company that has really fun designs, and they aren't homemade or anything, but they don't look necessarily cheap. They're actually really fun. They're cute. They have different ones. They have longer nails, oval nails, almond nails, shorter nails. So you have a variety of nails that you can be able to get, and they have the strongest glue I have tried. Even when like the nails I have on today, they're not BTR box or any ones that we're talking about. There's some other ones that I'm testing out, but I have used that glue for this. All of my press-on nails, since I got the BTR box press-on nails with their glue, those have been the only one that I've been getting. If they sell, I'm gonna tell you how much I love this glue. If they sell that glue, especially with a brush by itself, I would buy it because it is the best. Listen to me when I say this. I've tried the Green Kiss one. I've tried different companies. I'm telling you right now, BTR Box has some of the best, has not some of the best, has the best glue that there is. Now, the downside to BTR Box is that it comes with a strong smell. So if you do not like smells, like when your stuff come from Amazon and they have that smell, this might not be for you. Now, is the smell gonna kill me? No. Will I still purchase their nails? Yes. Will I purchase more? Yes. Did it stop me from putting them on? No, it did not, because the nails are that good. But I do want to give you a warning and to let you know that it is a strong smell. Now, if you get the set of 5, I think they are running for, I would say, $28 to like $35 or so for like the set of 5 that people usually get. But for the ones that I usually get, which are just the regular press-ons, they run about, I think the cheapest are maybe like $14 to like $22. So they're more so in that mid-range, where the Nailist has honestly the full range, and where Kiss is more on that affordable side. I would say, especially for press-on nails, that BTR Box press-on nails are more of that mid-range kind of tier, what I would consider mid-range tier, because there's a lot of press-on nails you can get for under $10 or around $10, and they have none that I've seen that you can get for $10. I haven't seen any for less than like 14 something, basically $15. Now I know you thought this video was over, but no, because your auntie, she got a little bonus for you. I'm gonna tell you right now, doing your own press-on nails are also superior, and let me tell you why. One, especially for me, you get to release so much creativity, okay? And then number 2, it is inexpensive, especially compared to these other places. Now, getting it may be a little bit more expensive because maybe the press-on nails are maybe $15 at this point, but before you can get some for $10, like a whole set of like 500. And then getting you a little gel set, like you can get the whole set, honestly, with hundreds of nails for the same price as some of these sets, like as the same price as some of these regular sets. And when I say the whole thing, I'm saying you can get some gel or just regular polish. You can get you the actual nails, brushes, things like that, and maybe a couple of glitters with the same price as some of these nails. And honestly, I've seen some press-on nails to where you could even probably buy you a lamp and it still won't be as expensive as some of these press-on nails, especially the luxury ones. Because while press-on nails are inexpensive, they still can be a good amount of money, especially if you're getting them handmade. So for you to be getting handmade nails, that is amazing. Now, what I will say, the downside is, and what a lot of people don't see about DIYs, is the time, okay? Your time is a currency. I just want y'all to know that. So it does take a lot of time, especially if you're like me. I make 20 nails each time I make a set because I want to be able to, if the nail pop off, I can replace it. If it break or anything, it takes time. Not only that, sometimes doing designs can be hard, especially if you are not that good with nails. When I first started off doing nails, baby, I would just put the nails on, I would put some glitter, and I would call it a day. I might shape it a little bit. Now I don't be shaping nothing, baby. I have long square, short square, almond. I have all types of shapes, so I ain't shaping nothing. But what I will say is I do a lot more designs now, and that's what comes with time, is doing those designs. But it does take a long time, so that is something that I would say will be cost effective. But if you have the time and you have the creativity, or you're willing to learn, I'm telling you that is probably one of the most inexpensive ways and the best way to go, because you are going to be able to get, I would say, at least how I told y'all, right? You can get all of that. I would say that you can get all the sets, all the things I'm talking about for under $100, definitely around $70 to $100, and lamp and everything. And you will get at least probably like 10 set of nails, honestly, for around $100, which is amazing because you're getting, basically they're $10 each. And for the design that you may do, because I'm showing y'all some, I think they're going to be up on the screen over here, but I'm showing you some of those designs, guys, and y'all will see, baby. Look up how much people are charging for even press-on nails. Yeah, they're charging $200, $300 for regular nails, but even press-on nails, especially the type that I like, handmade, are going for 70 plus. So just keep that in mind when you're thinking about doing all of these different things, especially if you're looking at saving money and you're a little creative and a DIYer. I would tell you, definitely look into that. And if y'all want more tips on how to do your own press-on nails, if y'all want to see some designs of me doing my press-on nails, how to make your press-on nails last longer, any other tips or tricks or anything when it comes to press-on nails, DIY press-on nails, let your girl know, because I can make plenty of those. If you like this video, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you share this video so we can get more people into this potato family. And last but not least, you know what you gotta do. You gotta subscribe to my channel so you can grow with your girl. So you could grow with your girl. So you could grow with your girl. Break it down.